Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to verify your Cambly Tutor account efficiently. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to verify your Cambly Tutor account. Efficiently getting your tutor account verified on Cambly is an essential step to start teaching and connecting with learners worldwide. While the process might seem a bit daunting at first, by following these clear step-by-step instructions, you'll be able to complete your verification promptly and confidently. Step 1. Create your Cambly Tutor profile. First things first, you need to register as a tutor on Cambly. This involves signing up by providing your email address or linking a social account, such as Google or Facebook. Once you have created an account, proceed to set up your tutor profile. Add your full name, a clear profile picture, and a short introduction that highlights your teaching experience and language skills. Remember, professionalism and approachability are key here. Step 2. Upload required identification documents. Cambly requires verification for security and trust reasons. To verify your identity, you will be asked to upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the image is clear and all information is readable. This step helps Cambly ensure that you are a qualified and genuine tutor. Step 3. Complete the video verification. The next critical step in the process is the video verification. Cambly will ask you to record a short video within their platform. This video usually includes speaking a few lines and showing your ID next to your face. This confirms your identity on camera and helps maintain accountability on the platform. Be natural and speak clearly in the video, demonstrating your ability to communicate effectively in English. Step 4. Wait for verification approval. After submitting your documents and video, your application will be reviewed by Cambly's team. This typically takes a few days, but the wait time can vary depending on their review. You might receive approval or a request for additional information. Make sure to check your email regularly and respond promptly if further steps are required. Step 5. Start teaching. Once approved, you will receive confirmation that your tutor account is verified. Congratulations! You are now ready to start connecting with students and sharing your knowledge. Remember to keep your profile updated and continue communicating with learners professionally to build a great reputation on the platform. Verifying your Cambly Tutor account is straightforward but essential for a smooth and successful tutoring experience. Follow these steps carefully, and you will be teaching in no time. Do not hesitate to reach out to Cambly support if you encounter any difficulties or have questions. Remember, maintaining your verification status is important for continued access to tutoring on Cambly, so keep your information accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Cambly as your tutoring platform.